nature is provided by the National Science Foundation, America's investment in the future, and by
Somewhere in America, there's a home by the sea, powered by the wind on the plains. There's a hospital where technology has a healing touch. There's a factory giving old industries new life. And there's a train that got a whole city moving again. Somewhere in America, the toughest questions are answered every day. Because somewhere in America, 69,000 people spend every day answering them. Siemens answers.
General Motors, and by the Robert Woods Charitable Trust, the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions to your PBS station. From viewers like you, thank you.